Welcome to the in front of me OPPO A96, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now as can you see how just the same as on our home screen. So just to change the lock screen wallpaper, we should go here into the settings application and then here click to the personalizations. Click here allow, and now we can see here the folder with the wallpapers. Just click here once and we can select our new device wallpaper from our device photos. If you got some, click here agree and continue, and if you got some previously taken photo on your device camera or just downloaded from internet, you will find them here. And also we have just regular static wallpapers, default ones. We'll go with this one. For example, we can set this one. Just click here and tap to apply. After that, just select the screen. We want to set this wallpaper on the lock screen. Wait a second, and now we'll check that. And as can you see, we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just hold for a while one from your device screens, and here on the left down corner you will see the wallpaper section. Just click here once, and by this way, same way, click here to the static. Okay, here we can just swatch only the home screen wallpaper. For example, okay, so unfortunately we have only the one way, so just settings, personalizations, wallpapers here, and after that just one from this wallpapers, click to the lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.